what is a simple equation? Okay. What is an equation? So equation is an condition on variable. Okay. What is a variable? Venkat. Your name is Venkat, no? Yes. Venkat.
Yes.
Keep yourself on mute. I am asking you. If I say, think of any number. If I say, think of any number. You don't tell to me. Okay. Have you thought it? Have you thought? Have you thought the number?
Yes.
Okay, don't tell
Yes.
me. Now if I say add the 12 in that number. Added?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you getting? Tell me the result, not the number. What is your answer?
18. 18.
18. 18 means you have thought the 6. The number that you have thought is 6. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, if the same question, if I ask to Meghna, think of any number and add the 12. What is the answer?
32, ma'am.
32. So Meghna have think 20. Right? Am I right? Now, Varsist, think of any number. Thought?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now subtract the 2 from it. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 7.
7. So Varsist have thought 9. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this number, I am saying you think of any number. So that number is varying from person to person, right? From person to person, this number is varying. So this number is getting varied. So this number is called as variable. The number whose value is varying according to person, that number is called variable. And in general, we write the variable as any alphabetical order. Okay? And any alphabetical letter. So variable is written in any alphabetical order. Variable means whose value varies, changes from person to person, from condition to condition, is not fixed. And if I say, if I add 2 in that variable, okay, and I am getting the result 12. Can you find the value of this variable? 10. The value of variable is 10. 10 plus 2 only will get 12, right? So writing the statement in this form is called an equation. Okay, this is a kind of equation. This is an equation. So equation means equal sign will be there. Okay, left hand side, there will be variable plus some number. Right hand side, there will be answer. Right hand side, there will be answer. Okay. So now if I say 3 times of any number, so any number is, let's say x. So 3 times of any number will be 3x. Is added with 2. If I add 3 times of any number with 2, I'll get 12. Can you find the value of x over here? Yesterday only I have told you how to solve the equation. So by using the transposing method, how to solve the equation? We solve the equation by transpose method. By transpose method. Okay. So solving the equation means finding the value of x. Finding the value of x. So that is the solution of equation. So this is yesterday's notes. Yesterday only we have solved few equations. Yes. So yesterday I gave this homework 4.1. Wait. Yes. So what was the 4.1? 4.1, there were 5 questions. Okay. Now if I give you one question, P plus 4 is 15. Okay. Instead of X, we can write any letter. Variable could be written in any alphabetical letter. Okay. X, Y, Z, X2, Z. Any alphabetical order we can choose to write to show the variable. So can you think of the value of P? What it could be? Venkat, can you find the value of P over here?
11.
12?
11.
12. Because 12 plus 14 is 16. No, 12 is wrong.
I said 11, ma'am.
11, yes, correct. 11 plus 4 is only for 15. Okay, so 11 is satisfying this equation. So 11 is the exact value, or we can say 11 is the solution. 11 is the solution. Okay. Next, if I say, how to solve the equation? So to solve the equation, we use transpose method. Yesterday only we have discussed it, transpose method. So what is transpose method? In transpose method, we shift numbers from left side to right side. Left side to right side. Okay. In equation, there are 2 sides. So left side is this one. This is left hand side. And this one is right hand side. P plus 4 is left hand side. 15 is right hand side. Okay. So how to solve the equation? We will solve the equation by using transpose method. So here we shift number from left side to right side. Okay. And we will shift the number from left side to right side, and all variables in left side. Okay. So we will shift all the variable in left side and all the numbers on the right side. Okay. And we will solve it. How will you solve? Suppose I give you, So while shifting, okay, if any number is positive in the left hand side and you are shifting to right hand side, that number will become negative. So positive number will become negative. How? Suppose I have this equation. Okay. So plus 3. When I will shift plus 3 over there to right hand side, it will become negative. Hello? Hello? Yes. So if I say solve this equation 2p plus 3 equal to 5. So how will you solve? Solving means finding the value of p. Okay. So first, this number we have to shift on right side. So when you will shift this number, this plus will be converted to minus. Okay. So this is the transposing rule. Transposing method rule. Plus number will be converted to minus minus number will be converted to plus. Okay. So 2p will be 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. And multiplicative number will be converted to division, and divisible number will be converted to multiplication. So now here, the left hand side, we have to keep the p only. So this number we have to shift again. Okay. So this number is in a multiplication with p. So when we will move to the right side, it will go in the division. Because we know multiplicative number will go in the division. Okay, this is a rule. This is a rule, transposing rule. This is a transpose method rules. This is a rule. I am not saying that plus will be converted to minus. If we are solving the equation by transpose method, these are the rule. Plus will be converted to minus, minus into plus, into any number is in multiplication, that will go in the division. Any number is in a division, that will go in the multiplication. Okay. So what is the p? P is 1. 2 by 2 is 1. So hence in this way we got the value of p. And getting the value of variable is the solving the equation or the solution of equation. Clear? Meghna, on your webcam. Venkat, is it clear? Venkat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, if I say this equation, m by 5 is 3. Can you find m? Can you find m?
Ma'am, is it 15?
Yes. How did you find?
Ma'am, by transposing 5 to the RHS.
5 is in a division. So divisible number will be converted to multiplication. So 5 will go in the multiplication. So m is 15. Venkat, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it. Write both the examples. This one and this one, both. Write down. Varsist, write it.
I'm done.
Okay. Now if I say, Venkat, is it written?
I'm almost done, ma'am.
Please write it. This is not a news. This is a maths paper. First you understand it, then you note down in your notebook. Okay. And when the next class will be started, you have to revise.
I'm done, ma'am.
Those who have done, please solve this question. P by 4p minus 2 equal to 18. Find the value of p in this equation. All of you, please solve it.
I'm done.
Those who have solved it, please solve this one. Hello? Uh,
I'm done.
yes. Venkat, what is your answer?
Already
Meghna?
type it in the chat, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, yes.
You
Type
gotta
in chat
type the
box.
answer.
Yes. And tell me the steps. 4p minus 2 is 18. How will you find it? P?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Venkat to tell. Venkat, how would you solve it?
Um,
Hmm.
I added 18 plus 2, and I got 20. Then 4
Very good.
plus 20,
Very.
I got 24.
No. Y plus 40. This 4 is in multiplication, na?
I mean, I
Yes.
divided 5.
Yes. P will be 20 by 4. That is 5 only. Very good. Next, Kritvik will tell. Kritvik, this question. How
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
find the P?
Ma'am, we should first bring plus 2 to RHS. 8
Yes.
minus 2.
Minus 2. Then?
Ma'am, then 8 minus 2 is 6, ma'am. So
Yes.
after that, we bring 2 to RHS, which is 2 into 6.
Yes. 2 into 6 is?
12, ma'am.
Very good. So P is 12. Okay. Now I want to check whether P is correct or not. So how would you verify that your answer is correct or not? Versist. How will you verify? You have to become your own teacher. If you want to check whether my answer is correct or not, how would you check?
Ma'am, we need to put the 12 in the place of P.
Yes. Put the value of 12 in place of P in the equation, in the question. So if I put the 12 by 2 plus 2, is it 8 or not? This is your answer. Right hand side is your answer. So after putting the value of P, 12 by 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes, my answer is 8. So means the value of P is correct. Okay. So after getting the P, you can check your own answer, whether it is correct or not. How will you verify? So this verification is, this is a verification. Answer is correct or not. So for verification, substitute the value of P in the question. Okay. So are you getting left side and right side equal or not? If left side and right side is equal, means your answer is absolutely correct. Your answer is correct. Okay. Clear? Venkat, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down. Note down this question. All of you, please note down. this question. How find the value of P and verify the answer. Find P and verify answer. Please note down this question. Yes, all of you. I can check any time your notebook.
I'm done.
Okay, whatever I am writing over here, you have to write down.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am.
Done? Very good. Venkat, is it written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Show your notebook. Keep your notebook in front of camera. I want to see. Yes,
Me,
Venkat.
ma'am?
Keep your notebook in as like this. Like this. Is it written?
Yeah.
Little closer. Little close. P is 12. But verify where this thing
The
is written.
verification paper.
Huh?
It's written down here. It's written over here.
Yes, yes. Good. Kritvik versus written. Okay. Okay. So let's come to the next question. Let's come to the next question. If I say 3L is 42. Find the value of L. Find out L. And Versist will give the answer.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed? What is the answer?
Ma'am, 14.
Very good. Meghna, answer is correct. Versist? Don't reveal the answer, okay? Write your answer in chat books. Otherwise, what other people do, they'll copy the answer. Okay. Yes. Kritvik, answer is Venkat, correct. Versist, correct. Venkat, correct. L is, this 3 will go in the division. So 42 by 3 is 42 by 3 is what?
Ma'am, 14.
14. Yes. Very good. Next question. 4x equal to 25. Find the x. Next question is y plus 4 equal to minus 4. Next question is 2y minus 2 equal to minus 7. Yes. Solve all the 3 questions. And write your answer in chat box. Yes. Who has written the answer? Meghna. First question answer is correct. Venkatesh. Venkat, what is this? What is this 1.6.5? What is this, Venkat?
I mean 6.5.
Yes.
6.5.
6.5. First question answer is 25 by 4 is 6.5. Yes. Very good. Meghna, second question answer is correct. Venkat, very good. Only Meghna and Venkat is giving the answer. Kritvik and Varsist, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm sending answers.
Yes. Venkat, third one answer correct. Answer is correct, but the sign is not correct. It's positive or negative? Third one answer is not correct. Varsist,
Negative.
your answer. Varsist, first one answer. Tell.
What, ma'am?
First question answer is.
Ma'am, I got 6.25.
Huh?
Ma'am, 6.25.
Tell me in fraction only. What is the x? What is the x?
Ma'am, should tell in fraction.
Ah,
Ma'am, 25 by 4.
very good. And 25 by 4 is, how will you divide? How many times it will go?
Ma'am, 6 times.
6 times. Then what will left? 1 will left. So 1 is divisible by 4? No. So we have to add the point, decimal. So if we add the decimal, we can add the 0 over here. So 4, how many times it will go?
Ma'am, 2 times. 8. 2 times.
4 2 ja 8, yes. Now, what will left?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
Yes.
Then we can add the 0 once. We have added the decimal. No need to add decimal again and again. Now, if decimal is added in the quotient, we can add 0. Okay. We can add 0 to as many numbers as we want until we get the remainder 0. So 4. How many times it will go? 5 times. So answer is 6.25. Clear? Now y plus 4 is minus 4. Second question.
Ma'am,
So you have to send this plus 4 over there. Minus 4 is what?
ma'am, -8.
Minus 8. Yes, y is minus 8. Correct. Now Kritvik will tell. Kritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
how would you solve this equation?
Ma'am,
Right hand side.
yes,
First,
yes, ma'am, we should bring -2 to right hand side.
yes, so it will be plus 2.
Plus 2.
Now,
Ma'am, then it is -5, ma'am.
minus 5. Very good. Now, what is y?
Ma'am, -5 divided by 2.
Very good. Minus 5 divided by 2. Can you convert it in decimal?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, -2.5.
Yes, very good. Very good. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next, if I say a by 5, if the question is like that, 7 by 15, then how will you solve? See, we have to keep the variable only at in the left hand side. So this 5 is in the division. So how move this 5 to other side. So here it is in division. So there it will go as a multiplication. Now do you know how to solve this multiplication? Yes. So this multiplication, fraction multiplication, there is nothing below 5 means it is 1. Okay. 5 can also be written as 5 by 1. Now this is a multiplication of two fractions. So you can do it in two ways. Okay. So one way for the lazy people, one way for the smart people. Okay. Now you choose your own method. You want to be smart or you want to be lazy. So first one for the lazy people. What they will do, they will multiply, then both the numerator, it is 35. And they will multiply both the denominator. Okay. They don't want to write it in the simplest form. Okay. So simplest form, you can convert it into the simplest form because both the numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 7 is 35, 5 3 is 15. Got it? 7 by 3. Answer is 7 by 3. And 7 by 3 is nothing but, can you divide 3 with 7? 3 1 is 3. 4 will left. We can add the decimal, add the 0 over here. How many times? No. 3 2 is 6. It will go 2 times. So 1 will left. We can add the 0 if you add decimal in the quotient. So 3 3 is 9. Okay. 3 3 is 9. So this division will never end. We'll get 3 3 3 3. Okay. So you at most you can write up to 2 decimal point. So answer will be 2.33. Okay. Answer will be 2.33. Yes. Please note it down. Note it down. Answer is given in a fraction only. You can keep answer in a fraction. No need to divide. Okay. If you write x as 7 by 3, that is also correct. Now, how the smart people will solve it? They will cut off here only. Okay. If two fractions are in multiplication, we can cut up and down numbers. So 5 3 is 15. So answer is 7 by 3. Directly you will get 7 by 3. One step. So which one is easier? Meghna. Which method is easier? Hmm? No, I'm not getting your voice.
Smart ones, it's nice, ma'am.
It is easier. Okay. Okay. Clear? So now if I say solve this one, z by 3 equal to 5 by 4. Yes. Now Venkat will give me the answer. All of you write the answer in chat box. What is z?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, do I tell you the answer?
ma'am,
Yes.
15 over 4.
Yes. Very good. 15 out of 4. Yes. So this 3 will go over there. Here it is division. There it will go in a multiplication. Now we cannot cut off any up down number. So you can multiply both the numerator together and both the denominator together. 15 by 4 is the answer. Yes. Very good. Now next question, if I say 3p by 10 equal to 6. Find the p. No, Prithvik, not correct. Yes, now it is correct. Varsist. Varsist, what is the answer? Yes, very good.
ma'am, I'm saying.
Hmm. Meghna. Meghna
Ma'am, I
correct.
have sent
Venkat
it.
correct. Varsist correct. Varsist, Meghna, Venkat, Prithvik. All are correct. Okay. So this 10 will go over there because 10 is in division. So 10 will come in the multiplication. So 60. 3p is 60. P is 60 by 3. That is 20. Okay. And you can verify also your answer is correct or not. Substitute the value of P over here. 3 into 20 by 10. 6. Are you getting 6? Yes. Right hand side and left hand side is same. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Answer is correct. Okay. Yes. Now if I say 3s is 0. Find the value of s. Yes. Very good. Meghna, Prithvi, correct. Venkat? Very good. Prithvik versus yes, 0. Answer will be 0. S will be 0 by 3, 0 by 3 is 0. Okay, very good. Now, if I say minus P by 3 equal to 5 by 2, find the P. Yes. What is the answer? Prithvik is correct. Venkatesh, correct. Meghna,
I'm doing
Meghna and Varsist. Meghna and Varsist. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. Now, if it is minus over here, then what is P? If I add minus over here, then how will you find P?
Mama sent answer.
Hmm?
Mom, is it 15 by 2?
Yes, 15 by 2 only. This minus, see, first you keep the minus over here, just send the 3 over there. Okay, so it is minus 15 by 2, right? So we are getting minus P is minus 15 by 2. So now a minus is there means minus is in left hand side and right hand side. So minus will cancel and it will be plus. So P will be 15 by 2. Or you can do it by another way. Minus P is minus 15 by 2. Okay. So minus P means the minus 1 is getting multiplied with the P. Okay. Minus P means, what does it mean? Minus 1 is getting multiplied with the P. So minus 1 is getting multiplied with P is minus 15 by 2. So now this minus 1 we can send in the denominator, minus 1 into 2. Okay. So now minus and minus in the up and down will cancel each other and we will get 15 by 2. Clear? So this is the lazy people method, lazy one, and this is the smart people. Minus P is minus 15 by 2. They'll directly write P is 15 by 2. Minus will cancel. And if you want to do by step, then this minus you can send to denominator as minus 1. Okay. So this minus up and downs, minus will cancel and we'll get 15 by 2. Clear? Venkat, is it clear? Clear?
Uh,
Yes. So these are the simple equation we have practiced today. Okay. So based on these methods, they are simple equations. Based on these methods, today's work done. I will give you some homework in the WhatsApp group. I'll take the photo and we'll send the word in WhatsApp group. Okay. Tomorrow we will take few complex equation. How to solve a few complicated equation. Okay. That we will start tomorrow. How many, do you have new books? Yes. How many of you have new NCERT books? Meghna. Okay. Do you have new books? How many exercises are there in new book in chapter 4?
Three, ma'am.
3 exercises. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Okay.
Yes.
So today I will give you the 4.2 and then we will start 4.3. Okay. Clear? Shall I off the meeting? And
yes.
homework I will, please do complete your homework. Tomorrow before starting the class, I will see on your notebook. Okay. So I'll send the homework in WhatsApp group. Okay, bye everyone. Good night. Bye.